Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 15T Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first, let's open the settings. Then find and select Fingerprint's Face Wrap and Screen Lock. Click on Fingerprint Unlock, and at first, as you can see, you need to set pattern, pin code, password, whatever you'd like to have as your screen lock. I'll go with pattern. Now you just have to be aware that in case you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device. So come up with something that you will remember. And now it's time to set your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. And from now on, as it's only done, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.